What's up, guys? It's Chris Forsberg, and I keep reading about this problem online. This whole issue about carbon buildup. The craziest part is there's an incredible amount of people who don't even believe it's happening to their cars because they're only a few years old. But that's exactly what's causing the problem. So, GDI and turbo engines, do they really have premature carbon buildup? Valvoline and I are on a mission to do more than just talk about it. We're gonna head out there, we're gonna find out what's really going on. Here we are out on the streets of America with this amazing machine called a borescope. We also have the team of Valvoline experts on hand, and we're gonna cruise around, find some drivers, and check out some carbon buildup. So let's see who we can find. Excuse me, sir, can I talk to you about your car for a minute? Okay. Have you ever seen the inside of an engine before?
Yeah.
You have?
No, I don't know.
Here's someone. Excuse me, sir.
What's up?
How you doing, man?
All right.
My name's Chris Forsberg. I'm a professional race car driver.
No way, are you really?
Yeah. I want to ask you something. Have you ever seen the inside of an engine before?
Nah,
No?
never paid attention, no.
Okay. Well, what year's your car?
2012.
I want to show you something really cool. Do you got like 5 minutes?
You're really a driver though? Race car driver?
Yeah, I swear.
Yeah, let me see.
But yeah, where are you parked at?
Yeah, right there, that blue car.
All right, yeah, let's check it out. So we're just gonna pop the cover off of this thing, pull the spark plug out, and actually get to look down inside the engine, and we can show you some of the carbon buildup that might be happening on your valves. So we got a little camera here.
Oh shoot.
Right?
Some high-tech stuff.
That's it. Now you're getting down inside the motor there.
Here we go.
Yeah, there it is. There's your combustion chamber, and there's your valve, and your valve's pushed open, and all that's the buildup that's happening.
It looks like it's beat up or something, huh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it does. It's on both intake valves. The problem is when this oil vapor and stuff deposits itself on the backside of these valves, over time, this little area will start to grab and get real sticky, kind of like tar. And that will start having misfire codes. You'll start losing fuel economy, and sometimes the engine will start throwing check engine lights.
And you're saying that that's just the oil? The oil I use is cheap stuff or something?
The oil you use has to be what's right for your modern engine.
Right.
That's why it's so important.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. I know my car needs it, so I'm gonna look into it because, I mean, the worse it gets, the more expensive it's gonna cost in the long run.
You got that right.
Yeah, it's absolutely worth it.
You want me to put your spark plug back in?
Can you please? Yeah, shoot.
I have about 75,000 miles on my car.
75? Okay,
Yes.
yeah, that's great.
Oh,
All
wow.
right.
See that?
Check
So
this
those are your
out.
valves, right? And those valves open, see all that crusty
Yes.
stuff? Yeah, that's not exactly supposed to
Yeah,
be
that's
there.
not supposed to be there.
What is that?
Well,
Is it-
see what this stuff is it's caused by your oil. I would actually consider this a high amount of carbon
Oh, yeah?
deposits. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh,
yeah.
that's not good. Does
Right
this
now.
affect my actual engine?
Long term, yes. Again.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
wow, okay.
This is a really nice car. I hope you want to keep it for longer than the 100.
Yes, I do.
Excuse me, sir. Hi, how you doing? My name is Chris. Have you ever heard of carbon buildup?
Honestly, I don't think I have.
Yeah, pop quiz, right? What year is this one again?
2016,
2016, yeah, so it's pretty new. And what's the
Pretty new.
mileage on it?
55,000, something like
55.
that.
So,
great.
I mean, that's low mileage, and you would think that's gonna be a pretty clean engine, right?
Yeah, nice new modern engine.
Yeah, but now, well, check this out.
You see all this little dark charcoal looking
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah.
That's carbon.
Is that bad?
It's not good.
Yeah, you want to get ahead of it.
Do you spend a lot of money on premium gas?
No, I think I just do the cheapest
Well,
one.
the important thing is to know is that it's not the gas that's causing these deposits, okay?
I'm so glad you guys are here telling me.
Turbo GDI.
Turbo
All right.
GDI.
Oh man, I haven't found one of these yet. There it is.
Whoa!
All right.
baby.
Oh, jeez. All right. Okay.
Well, I don't want to scare you, but this is some of the worst I've ever seen.
Okay, all right.
We're just trying to get the word out there of these newer modern engines. You think your car is only a couple years old, and nothing's wrong with it, but what
Absolutely right.
what they're finding out back in the lab is these are problems that are starting to pop up.
But I've looked at hundreds of vehicles, and people don't even know.
Exhibit A.
Yeah, exactly right.
This might not be so bad right now, but I mean if this is only 30,000,
Right.
think about 60 or 90 or 120, it's potentially going to become an issue down the road. Hope you learned something.
I
Little
did.
camera's pretty cool, right?
Yes, it was absolutely, yeah.
Very good.
Check up for my vehicle.
There
Yes.
you go. Well, you have a
Thank
great day. Thank you for your
you.
time. So there you have it, guys. I mean, seeing is believing, right? Carbon buildup really is a problem in these newer engines. And you know what? You can do something about it. So check out Valvoline Modern Engine. It'll be worth it.